Okay, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you work or study?
I'm a student, and but I have some experience at Punjab Group of Colleges as a chemistry lecturer.
Okay, so tell me about your job as a lecturer.
Yes, I was teaching chemistry over there, and I worked for 1.5 year in Punjab Group of Colleges, and I was also in charge of chemistry lab.
Alright, what do you like about teaching?
I like the interaction between a student and a teacher, and that helped me a lot to understand how to deal with the students and how they perform in their exams.
Okay, would you like to continue with teaching in the future?
Yes, I would like to continue in teaching because I find it very. I have experience in it, so I can easily find a way to get a job.
Alright, let's go on. What kind of clothes do you like?
Um, I like it actually depends on occasions that I wear on. When I am home, I find comfortable clothes to wear. But when I go outside, it depends on where I'm going.
Okay, so for part 1, overall your answers are good, but you need to work on your fluency.
Okay.
Because at times you're taking breaks and all that.
Yes.
And second, try to connect your ideas. For that, I'll recommend you compound sentences.
Okay.
Now we move on to IELTS speaking part 2. This is the topic, and you will
Yes.
have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Yes. I have to describe a time I used my cell phone or smartphone to do something important. Um, so I have to attend an exam, PPS exam. So I was on my way to the center, and then I realized that I had forgotten my CNIC at home. So I was utterly anxious at that time. I called my father to bring me the CNIC, and I helped him to find out where it is. So after 30 minutes, he came and gave me the phone. So in the experience at that time that cell phone helped me a lot to get my CNIC.
Okay, this answer is shorter than a minute, so you
Okay.
need to elaborate further. Come up with more ideas and elaborate each point and
Hmm.
give reasons and connect your answer with the main topic. Now, your main topic is a time you used your cell phone to do something important.
Hmm.
The first thing is thing must be important, and
Okay.
then you will connect your cell phone.
Hmm.
Like I called, I
Mhm.
texted, I used internet on my mobile phone, I checked on Google, something like that.
Okay.
So this connectivity is very important, right?
Hmm.
Now we go on to speaking part 3. Why do you think it is important to carry a cell phone when you go out?
Cell phone is very important when we are traveling because it helps in find out location by using navigation, and if it is an emergency, so we have to call a family member or a friend to
Okay.
for help.
Why do some people have privacy issues in the presence of a mobile phone?
Please repeat.
Why do some people have privacy issues in the presence of a mobile phone? Like if there is a mobile phone, someone is making a video, some people
Yes.
have privacy issues.
Yes.
Why do they have them?
Question की understanding.
I see that if you don't understand the question,
Yes.
you ask the examiner to repeat the question.
Okay.
Examiner will repeat the question once.
Okay.
If you don't understand, then they will ask you different questions, but that question is gone.
Okay.
So you should be careful, okay? Because in part 3, questions are going to be long ones. So you need to
Okay.
understand what's the bottom line, right?
Yes.
One last question. Do you prefer to show your events on social media? Like if your birthday, you show it on social media. Do you prefer to show your events on social media?
Yes, I want to share the content on social media, but I have to put some privacy. Means only friends can see it, or just like I was a teacher, so there are some students in my account, so I
Okay, so
there's
your English
limited
is
info.
good, but you need to learn to handle IELTS speaking.
Okay.
And for that you need to be talkative, you need
Yes.
to elaborate your points, and the topics that we have in the book, you need to learn to be familiar with these topics, okay? Because
Yes.
in actual exam they're going to ask you something similar, so you need to learn to do that, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.